In order to perform this service, you'll need a draft block, which can be ordered through our customer service department. First thing is to unlock the window and lift it up. After lifting it, go ahead and tilt it in and let the sash lie. Take your draft block and pull the balance string out from the frame. Wrap the draft block through the string and go ahead and place the draft block inside of the frame channel. Once you get the draft block in there, go ahead and push it up until it meets the balance cover and is basically on top of the jam jack. Repeat this on the other side of the frame so that you have two draft blocks in the window. And once you've done this, go ahead and tilt the window back up, bring it down, and lock it back in place.